This is going to be the elevator to home furniture in Lakeville, Minnesota. It's a low-pitch Schindler 330A. Yes, it's still low-pitch too. Sweet. 2. I've been on this thing in years. Same as I remember it. Here we go. Wow, that leveled fast. Here are 2. The operator seems a little tired. Down to 1. That low pitch chime is epic. It's a very nice cab. I like it a lot. This thing runs really nice. Here's your COP, 2,500 pound capacity, Schindler HT buns, then 88 phone. See your lights. HOM sells floors. That's not surprising. It's cool it has 2 Schindler logos, even though basically every HT has that. My lens seems dirty or something. Number 1. We ended on 2. God, that's epic. There's your lantern. Here we go. Someone just stared at me. Here are 2. God, that level's fast. Actually, let's end it downstairs. There's a desk right outside. Let's see if I can hear the chime. These buttons are kind of worn. Here are 1. I think it's a little bit longer to level down here. All right. There it goes. And that'll be it.